question 2, factorize x squared minus 2x minus 35. And then we have the options. Okay, let's go straight to the solution of this question. If you look at this, so I'm going to explain to us step by step how to factorize. The first thing you do is to multiply this one with the constants. This one times this one, that's minus what? Minus 35x squared. The next thing to do now is to look for 2 factors of 85, 2 factors of this 35, which can give you minus 2, either by adding or by subtracting. Okay, and the factors of 35 is what? 7 and 5. Equal 35 and 1, but what is applicable for this one is 7 and 5. That means you're going to have more of the negative positive. Then your x squared here, you're going to pair it into 2, 1 here and then 1 here. Then the next thing to do now is to replace this one with these 2 factors, minus 7x plus 5x, and then minus what? Minus 35. Then you can begin to pair this one also. Here and here, x is common. Okay, that will be x minus 7. Here also, what is common? Plus 5 is common, and that will be x. How many times 5 goes in 35? That's what? That's 7. Okay, and then plus times minus, that's what? That's minus. And whenever you factorize, this and this must be the same thing. So you take one of that. So your final answer is what? Is x plus 5 times x minus 7. Okay? You take one of those 2 linear factors that are the same and then combine with what? X plus 5. Okay? So that's that on this question, and that is option C. So C is the answer. Okay? Please smash that watermark now, subscribe, and begin to type your comments. Okay, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms.